Well, in your medical headlines, we've all been there. You can feel it coming, that I've got to sneeze feeling. Our health expert, Dr. Bose, has a couple of easy things you can do to stop a sneeze from coming at an inopportune time.
Bless you, Dr. Bose.
Sorry, I just couldn't hold that back.
Oh my goodness. So, are there instances where you can prevent from sneezing? You know, you always get in that situation where it's in a quiet room or you're in a meeting and you gotta sneeze. You don't want to be that person.
I guess that's our topic today.
Yeah, that is.
Like it or not.
How convenient.
There are a couple ways. We've all been there. Maybe in church, in a meeting, and you have to let out that sneeze. So what can you do? So there's a few techniques, and this is based on the trigeminal nerve, which is what causes the sneeze. And one thing you can do is you can actually squeeze your nose. So you take your nose kind of right below at the cartilage here, the tip of the nose, and you pull it away from your face. Don't pull too hard. It should not hurt.
Okay.
Don't pull your nose off.
Uncomfortable?
Yeah, you just kind of pull away, and that's one technique.
Okay.
The other technique is you just take some Kleenex and you blow your nose, and that clears the sinuses of whatever is causing that sneeze in the first place.
I've never tried that.
Another technique you can try is, this one's kind of silly, but you can pinch your upper lip. So use your index finger and your thumb, and you pinch your upper lip, bunch it up, and then you pull up towards your nose. Now you can imagine in a meeting or in church, this might look a little silly if you're doing this. So we have to think of a better way to stop a sneeze.
Yes.
So one thing that works is you can use your tongue, and you can push with your tongue against the area of your gum right above your front teeth. So you have your front two teeth, there's gum right above that. That's called the alveolar ridge.
Okay.
And then you take your tongue and just push hard against the alveolar ridge.
And that'll stop.
Push forward.
And
that can stop your sneeze. So those are a few techniques that have been reported.
I'm always that poor person that's, I have allergies just in general.
Right.
And they always seem the worst in the morning, and that's when we have our meetings, and I'm the poor soul that's sneezing their brain out.
Sometimes you just need to let that sneeze out.
Yes.
And one thing you can do is you can look up at the bright light. And if you look up at a bright light, 17 to 35% of us are sun sneezers. So that's called the photic sneeze reflex. That optic nerve where the light comes in rubs off on that trigeminal nerve that causes the sneeze, and you can let that sneeze out. You may notice that when you put on contact lenses. Some people sneeze. So the next time you're in that awkward situation and you need to hold back that sneeze, remember those techniques.
All right, Dr. Bose, thanks.